Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix stolen device protection, grayed out iPhone, how to fix this problem. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection is working properly. After this, scroll down, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction. Always disable this option. Now go back again and here tap on Face ID, enter your passcode and check. Here you can see option reset face ID. After this reset face ID, when you reset face ID, restart your mobile phone and try again. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again, tap on privacy and security. Here tap on location services and always turn on location services. After this go back. Here tap on general, tap on software update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this go back and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, tap on general, scroll down. Here tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on this. After this tap on reset and reset all settings. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.